Hello everyone, Big Game out and...
How's crazy life here?
Not crazy guys today. And where are we today?
Today we're in Newport town centre.
Doing
some shopping, Cex pickups and charity shops.
Alright, let's go check out what Newport's like.
Yep.
Or some Welsh here you can all learn. Our first time in Wales doing these little hunts. Don't know what that says, someone tell me. We are here bright and early. There's a nice little bridge there to walk over. Yeah, it's quite nice. Town centre. Right, we're going to go find some food in Wetherspoons, but Kaz is going the wrong way. Bye, Kaz. Can't put stairs like this in a town centre. And look at this colourful building here. We have found the Newport County football shop. Quite a nice little walkway this into the shopping centre. And here we are. The John Wallace Linton, Newport.
John Wallace Linton.
Kaz's favourite Wetherspoons. Oh yes, a big breakfast. Kaz has got some new thing. What's in this, Kaz?
Pancakes with banana and it was supposed to have blueberries on it.
It's got
right
blueberries,
at the bottom.
I can see them.
They're hiding.
Yeah,
and strawberries.
Oh, looks
Yeah,
nice.
and maple syrup as well.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah, there's strawberries underneath there. And blueberries.
Did you like breakfast?
Yeah, the breakfast was really tasty. It was really nice. Pancakes with the fresh fruit and maple syrup. It was delicious.
I already saw that, but yeah. Anyway, that filled a lovely hole. I'm going to finish this and then go find some charity shops. Right, first up we've got Game inside Sports Direct. Let's go see if they've actually got a proper game shop in there. Alright, next up, Cex. What they got in the window? Ooh, Super Mario World. Sun faded 48. What's this one? Disrupto 2. Phoenix here, that looks alright. PS1, 18 quid. Alright, let's go and have a look inside. Next up, British Heart Foundation, Newport. Let's see what they got in here. French. Next up we've got Sense. Kaz is running in there to get all the bargains before me. Got a fair bit in here. A lot of it's just common tiles. But we'll have a look through just to make sure. A few PC games as well. Nice little statue here, and a couple of birds on it. Right, we're going to go to this charity shop here first. Someone smashed all the window in. It's not a very good one. No video games in this one. Oh well. Right, next up we're going to go support the vets with a PDSA in Newport, because he's running in again to beat me. All the deals. Sadly, no video games in here. But they do have a great big massive Bluey, not Bluey. What's his name? Bing. There you go, see, I do know some kids' shows. I do like to look at the toys as well while coming in these places. And this little area as well, looks quite good. Yoshi. Alright, next up we've got St Vincent's, helping locally. We've got Halloween stuff in the winter as well. Right, next up we've got Scope. I can try and get across the road without getting run over. Right, let's go check this place out. A couple of PC games, nothing really major in this shop. Oh well. Right, next up we're going to go check out this Regenerate. Looks like it sells video games in there. Ooh. Oh, they've got Dirt Steelbook. Oh. Let's have a look through, see if there's anything I need. Alright, next up we've got a St David's Hospice furniture and home store. Hopefully they've got some video games in there. Let's go check it out. Oh, I was speaking to a video game on here. It's an old floppy disk holder. Used to have one of them years ago. There's a VHS, but no games. Here's Kaz. She's all shopped out. Got 2 big bags full of stuff. Yep. Where are we going now? More shopping?
But hey, where are you?
More shopping? More shopping?
Yep.
Alright, let's go then. This way.
Go into this.
And that is Newport done. Picked up 1 game. I will show you it when we get back to our hotel we're staying at tonight. Right, and here we are after a lovely day out in Newport. Yes. Other than that weird charity shop find of a Sims 3 pets game in French. Although that was £1. Cex would have given me £1.60 for it. Would they have taken it in that French language? I tried scanning it in the app and it didn't show up, so I don't know if they'd take it or not. Please let me know in the comments. Well, I did pick up 1 game. I have to see if I've got it or not. I can't remember if I do. But this has got something in it which I didn't know existed. So I picked up a copy of Little Nightmares for the Xbox One. This was £7.49 from that cash gen. Even though it says £7.99 on the back, I don't know why he charged me £7.49. But, as you can see on the front there, it says it comes with original soundtrack. Well, surprisingly, it does. Both discs, soundtrack and normal game discs. Now, this game is £15 to buy in Cex, and they give you £10 credit, so I need to check if I've got it or not. If not, I've made a nice little £2.50 profit, and I'll probably keep the soundtrack out of it as well. So yeah, can't really go wrong. Other than that, that was everything in Newport. Not really too much there, a few charity shops, Cex, little cash for gold game for this. But other than that, yeah, it was alright. Got a nice breakfast. So yeah, we're over here in Wales now, in this lovely hotel. Well, I say hotel, it's a house. It's not really a hotel. But anyway, enough about that. You'll watch the video when it comes out on the house. That's all I picked up. Let me know if you played it, if it's any good. If I have got this, it's probably still sealed. But anyway, yeah. That leaves me to say thank you all for watching. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.